Okay, for today's simulation, we're going to kill the engine right now at 2,200 feet of elevation and 4.5 miles from the airport. This Cessna should be able to fly 1.5 nautical miles for every 1,000 feet it drops. And now we have total engine failure. Let's see if we can land without crashing in the San Francisco Bay. Three miles out, just past 1,500 feet. Still have plenty of airspeed at 77 knots. Although we are dropping rapidly. We're at 900 feet and we're still over 2 miles. And now we're down to 68 knots, which is still good. Anything over 65.
Skywest Tree 27. Contact ground on 121.8.
Come on.
San Francisco Tower, United 1807, 13 miles east. Inbound ILS runway 28 right approach.
United 1807, San Francisco Tower. Altimeter 2980. Cleared ILS runway 28 right approach.
I wish you would shut the hell up. Oh, come on. 200 feet. Oh my god, we're so close. No,
Cleared
no,
ILS
no.
runway 28 right approach. United 1807.
Oh, fuck.